I have a rose bush with black spot. How can I treat it? Does the soil need to be treated, or should I just remove the rose altogether? Thank you. And this is Barbara from New York.
Oh, wow.
All right, so she knows the rose bush has black spots.
Yeah.
Common, very common disease.
And we
of
probably
roses.
see more of it here than she does there because our weather is so humid. She probably sees it less there. And maybe she's not had a problem with it before.
Maybe.
And, you know, I would say air circulation, we go for environmental conditions. Has it grown there for several years? Has there other shrubs that have grown near it? Other roses, the rose itself? Does it need to be thinned for better air circulation to reduce the chances of black spot? But yes, you can treat that with fungicides.
You can treat it with a fungicides. A couple of things. Practice good sanitation. Yeah,
Yes.
get those leaves up, of course, because they do harbor fungal spores. You definitely want to do the air circulation. Is something we talked about. How about resistant varieties? Let's look at let's look at some of those resistant varieties, right? And the thing about the soil is this, you know, down in our area, I mean, yeah, those fungal spores could probably be there for about a month.
Yeah.
You know, then of course they, you know, go ahead and go away. But up in New York, like you mentioned, yeah, the zone's a little different. The climate's going to be a little different. But yeah, our heat, humidity, because water spreads this disease, this fungal disease. Water, irrigation,
And does she
people.
have mulch on the top?
Right, and that's something else too.
You know,
Yep.
because the soils are so good up there, sometimes they don't use mulch.
That's right.
So yeah, I would put a mulch layer down to keep the spores from jumping
Yeah,
from the
get
soil
that
onto
splashing
that.
effect. Yeah, exactly right. That's a good point. So yeah, if you do those things, Ms. Barbara, we think you'd be fine. And then of course, if you have to use a fungicide, there's some fungicides out there. Daconil is one. A copper-based fungicide will be another one that you can use. Just read and follow the label on that. But cultural practices is what we always like to talk about first, right? So again, to get air circulation, look at the resistant varieties. Mulch. You know, will be good as well. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.